Hello and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm James Currie with the Communication Department, and I'm talking to Ty Tover. He's a peer mentor here at MCHD. Ty, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Yeah, today is Wednesday, December the 1st. So we've got red ribbons on. We got Rock the Ribbon
Yeah.
there behind you on the wall. So what's significant about it is it's World AIDS Day.
Yes.
World AIDS Day was first recognized in 1988. 33 years ago, and we're still doing it today. So tell me a little bit about what's going on here today at MCHD.
Well, today we're going to marry both health and art. So we had during our courses of doing art therapy, many of the clients here have done paintings for this World AIDS Day event, and I also will have some featured paintings of my own in this event. Um, in 2011, we did an event with Spires Gallery, which was an actual art showing for World AIDS Day.
Mhm.
So, wow, can you believe time flies, huh?
Oh yeah,
So now, in commemoration of that, we're going to do it here at home base. So I'm very excited about it.
yeah.
Very
Our
excited about
yeah
it.
our version of it, we call it ArtBeat, right?
Yes,
Which
correct.
ArtBeat gives you a heartbeat, right? It's
Yeah,
all art therapy, real healthy,
art and therapy.
and that's your gig, that's your thing here with us, and we're thankful for you to do that. You've done a couple of paintings on Wellness Wednesday for ArtBeat, and we're very thankful for that therapeutic time. So today, going on today, right now at MCHD, that's our main location where we're at,
Mhm.
251 North Bayou Street, right inside the lobby. That's where the Art Beat Gallery is. It's an art installation show that's today. It right there behind your shoulder, 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. going on today till 3 p.m. So, like you said, there's going to be a lot of different pieces there, a lot of local artists, uh, very expressive pieces of artwork. So,
Also, the
yeah,
milestones of the history,
right,
brief history of the
right.
HIV/AIDS movement. Right.
Yeah, 1981. That's the first official reporting of what will be known as AIDS. So back in 1981. So 40 years, we're talking. Um, like you mentioned, we'll have all of this milestone years up for people to be able to look at the history of HIV, AIDS, World AIDS Day. Um, and this is kind of also too from your event that you've helped host, like you mentioned, the Scarlet event. So, give a little bit of historical perspective on the Scarlet event too.
Okay, the Scarlet event started. I was downtown during Art Walk, and I walked into a gallery that was playing Lauryn Hill music. I was like, "That's a cool gallery," and I got to talking to the lady in the gallery, the owner of the gallery, and we got to talking. I said, "You know that it's close," and I was surprised that she knew what that was. And she had told me that she had been involved in a lot of organizations dealing with this horrible, horrible disease,
Mhm.
and that she was very so active in these groups, and she thought it would be cool if we could do some kind of art show with that. And I said, you know what, I'm an artist. That yeah, that would work. And we came together, and it had been a success time. So it went from an art show to an actual show
Yeah.
showing. So we had
Mhm.
spoken word, poetry, musicians, other artists. It was great. It
I
was
mean, that's
great.
great. Great that you know one event was born from another, just bringing awareness to it. So, um, Ty, I know you're a busy man. I know you got a lot of stuff to do, and usually have a paintbrush tucked behind your ear somewhere,
Yeah.
working on something. But I thank you for talking about Artbeat, and we just want to encourage everyone. It's early enough in the day today that you can still get down here, come on in, till 3 o'clock and take a look at the artwork. And, we're just very thankful to be able to have this program. So yeah, of
I
course.
needed to add one more thing.
Yeah,
They
sure.
allowed us to have this display go on for the whole month of December. So
Oh,
if you
great.
don't make it today, it'll still be up.
Okay. All right. Even better. All right, good. Well, we hope that you're able to make it sometime during the month of December down here. So officially, we'll say goodbye. How about that? Ty, thanks again for being on
Thank you.
Wellness Wednesday.
Thank you.